So how did Trion Properties begin? So, I was fortunate enough to link up with this company about 3 years ago. I had, in a previous life, was a commercial real estate broker representing buyers and sellers of apartment buildings in the Los Angeles and Inland Empire market. So I was familiar with Trion Properties. I had never transacted with them. And then when the opportunity came to join this company, the more I learned about them, the more attractive the opportunity and the company became to me. So it's a really cool story. So Max Sharkansky and Mitch Paskover are both LA natives, childhood friends. Max attended Loyola Marymount University. Mitch attended University of Southern California. And pretty much right out of school, Max went to work as a broker at Marcus and Millichap, representing buyers and sellers of apartment buildings in the San Fernando Valley. And Mitch was a commercial real estate debt broker at HFF, where he was arranging debt for commercial property owners throughout the United States. And long story short, they were both highly successful at a pretty young age, and they were too young to get married. They didn't want to buy a house, so they teamed up, pooled their money, and started buying small, little value-add apartment buildings, 8 to 12 unit properties in the San Fernando Valley. And they did a couple deals, primarily through their own capital, and then they had a couple guys they worked with that wanted to invest with them, a couple family members, and lo and behold, they started buying, adding value, selling the properties for a profit. And they bought their first deal in 2005, and in 2006, they left Marcus and HFF and opened up Trion Properties. One of the things I'm so impressed by this company is kind of the trajectory that the company has been on. It started as two young, intelligent, hardworking guys. The investor base was primarily comprised of coworkers, friends, family, and the maturation of the company has been just a really interesting process. As we began to grow, friends began to have friends, family members began to have friends, and now, 13 years later, we have, I checked it this afternoon, 388 investors, primarily made up of the individual investor allocating anywhere from $50,000 to $250,000 with us to gain access to this high growth commercial real estate portfolio. But along the way, as we've grown, as we've had a track record of success, we've also been able to establish relationships with family offices and also a few institutions that have the ability to write mid to large 7-figure checks. So it's really been a cool organic growth story. And now 13 years later, we've done over $450 million of real estate transactions. Historically, we've averaged internal rates of return of over 30%. And naturally, when you have success, your investor base grows, and now we have a stable of very loyal investors, almost 400 strong, comprising of institutions, family offices, registered investment advisors, and a lot of individual investors that have had success investing with us.